all of you, especially at Nanhanit. I'm Boondarika Kanjanapongporn from Yothinburana School M3/10 number 6. Today, I'm going to tell you about my science project, which is about the extraction of essential oil from steam distillation. The objectives are to determine the amount of essential oil from 500 grams of 3 different types of plants. The 3 different plants are bergamot, lemongrass, and rose. And secondly, to determine which has the largest amount of essential oil. Moving on to the next topic, I'm going to talk about the benefits. So first of all, it is good information for oil businesses, essential oil businesses, and people who love to make essential oil homemade. It will let you know the amount of essential oil from the plants I've experimented on, and it will be great information about essential oil, and it will allow you to extract them in a low cost. It will also help you make profit, and as you know, the more information you have, the less chance you have on being tricked. So the materials are 500 grams of bergamot skin, 500 grams of chopped lemongrass, 500 grams of chopped rose petals, 200 milliliters of water, steam distillation kit. It may be expensive, but then it'll be very economical and you can reuse it many times. A bowl of ice water, it can be a bucket if you want, and a separating funnel to separate the hydrosol and the essential oil. So we're gonna talk about the methodology next. First, arrange or put your kit in its correct places. You can search for images in the internet and arrange them. 2. Put the 200 milliliter water in the flask. 3. Put the biomass in the experiment tube. 4. Boil the water and be careful not to turn the heat up too high because it will increase the chance of blowing up in your face. 5. Wait for the hydrosol or the scented water and the essential oil to come out. 6. The essential oil will be floating on top of the hydrosol, so you will have to separate it with a separating funnel. And be careful not to spill the undiluted essential oil on you. It will burn, and secondly, it's bad for your skin. If you get spilled with the concentrated essential oil, do not wash it with soap because it will make it burn even more. What you have to do is wash it with oil, then you wash it off with soap. So these are the results I've got, and I've written the formula on the slide so you can read it and experiment it on your own. So as you can see, bergamot essential oil has the largest amount, and the plant with the least essential oil is rose. And these are the essential oils I've extracted. And the last one is bergamot. You can see the amount, right? In conclusion, I've told you about the objectives, benefits, materials, the methodology, which is steam distillation, and the results. Now you know the amount of essential oil from the 3 types of plants I've extracted and the percentage. You also know that it takes a lot of biomass to fill up just 1 bottle of essential oil. And lastly, if you want to use your essential oil, you would have to dilute it with carrier oil. Carrier oil is real oil, or any oil you can find in your kitchen. Coconut oil, olive oil, or just anything. And then the formula is 2 drops of essential oil per 5 ml of carrier oil. Thank you for your attention.